Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss the triangular combination. And in this combination we use only 3 colors. You just need to add a triangle over the color wheel and basically rotate that triangle where the 3 points or the 3 corners of the triangle ends. Those are the 3 colors that you should be using to create your eyeshadow combination or your eyeshadow design. In this makeup tutorial, we are going to use the purple, the green, and the orange. You just need to rotate that triangle to create your own combination. And without any more introduction, let's start with this one. See you at the end. Bye. Now I'm going to apply my P. Louise base. And using this P. Louise brush, I'm going to distribute that base all over the eyelid area and all the area that I will be working with. And I have already my face ready for the makeup application for the face. But if you want to know all the details about the products that I use and how I apply them to minimize my dark spots, my dark circles, and a little bit reduce the skin texture appearance, I will link that video here somewhere in the screen and also down below in the description box. First, I'm going to apply white lights. This one is a white color in the brow bone area. And I already complete my eyebrows out of camera, but I have another tutorial for that too. So if you want to see how I do my natural eyebrows, I'm going to add the link to that tutorial here somewhere in the screen and also down below in the description box. Now using this fluffy brush, I'm going to apply the color Heat Wave as my first transition color. Oh, I already applied the white, right? But I consider this one my first one. The other one is just to set the base. And today we are going to use these fluffy brushes just because I want that application to be soft. Then I'm going to apply Purple Power as my second color to be used as a transition color. This one is a purple, beautiful color. It's a beautiful color. Going back with the orange color, Heat Wave. And just using the white at the top of that orange color. Now I'm going to add Granny Smith. This one is a green color. This is not like an eyeshadow that maybe you will use to go to work, obviously. But you can use it for your Instagram if you have Instagram. I use this kind of eyeshadows for my Instagram. And if you don't know about my Instagram, the link is always included down below in the description box. Go and visit my profile. You will have access to all the photos and short videos about my tutorials. And usually, I post my tutorial first on Instagram and then I post them on YouTube. But that is not always the case. It's just usual. I'm going back to the purple and now I'm going to apply more orange. These colors are beautiful. You know that I love this palette. Now I'm going to cut the crease, and for that I'm going to use my Garnier cleansing water and this Sigma L06, which is really, really small and rigid. And if you have skin like mine, which is like fluffy skin, it's good to use rigid brushes, rigid small brushes, if you want to use this technique of cut crease. And I'm going over my natural cut crease line just because the shape of my eyes. I cannot use my normal crease because it will be hide. My eyes are too deep. So I need to go over that real crease line. Now I'm going to use a cotton swab just to clean up the large area. And also to dry the Garnier cleansing water. So the skin of the eye is ready for the base application. Now I'm going to apply more P. Louise base. And using the P. Louise brush, I'm going to distribute that base again. Now I'm going to use again my Sigma L06 to add the base to the areas that I need more precision or I need to be more precise. Now I'm going to set that with the P. Louise base so it is more like smooth. And now using the Sigma L06, I'm going to add more of the green color just to define even more that crease line. I'm going to use this ABH brush A14. This one is just to blend that green a little bit with the rest of the colors so it is more smooth. And now using a Sigma E15, I'm going to apply the green color in the inner part of the eye and also in the outer part of the eye. Now using the same brush, I'm going to apply the purple. Remember that maybe it doesn't look beautiful now, but it will be better in a few minutes. Now using my MAC 242S, I'm going to add this beautiful orange color. This one is from the Masquerade Palette from Juvia's Place. I love Juvia's Place eyeshadow. I don't use them a lot, but I really love them. I think that they are one of the best eyeshadows in terms of colors. If you want colorful eyeshadows, they are awesome. So now I am using a Sigma E15 to be more precise in the application of this coppery, orangey, shimmery eyeshadow. Going back with the purple. A little bit. A little bit. And then the green. And just returning to the colors as you need them until you achieve the transition that you want. Adding a little bit more of the orangey color. Because I want more precision here in this area, I'm going to use this L06 here. Now I'm going to apply this P. Louis base. This one is like an orangey with yellow color. I think that is more like to the yellow side than to the orangey side. And again, I am using a Sigma L06. Because it is small and it's really rigid. So for my mature skin, is easier, the application. Now I'm going to clean the outer part of the eye, going up. And using a cotton swab, just cleaning the area of the eye. I think that they are good enough right now. I'm going to complete my face out of camera and I'm coming back. See you soon. Now that our face is complete, we can complete the eyes, and basically I'm going to use this Sigma E15 just to make the pointy ending that I like to add for this type of design. And then using a Sigma L06, I'm going just to make that application really pointy. I'm going to add more of the green. Just to be more vibrant. Cleaning a little bit more. Using the P. Louise brush. Just clean that area a little bit or illuminate that area a little bit. And now using a Sigma E20, I'm going to add the same colors in the bottom part of the eye, really near to the base of the eyelashes. First, I'm going to add the color green in the outer part. Then the color purple. And finally the color orange. Now I like to add a little bit of highlight to the brow bone area to illuminate that area. It looks so beautiful. Sometimes the video doesn't catch the details, the really beautiful of the details in the eyeshadow. Hopefully you will be able to see all the combination and all the colors in this makeup look. I love it. It's a beautiful makeup look. Obviously, it's maybe not something that you will use every single day of your life. But yes, it is a beautiful makeup look for Instagram or for those makeup lovers that loves to do like eyeshadow design, which I love it. My Instagram is full of those design. So now I'm going just to add eyelashes, finish my face, and I'm coming back with the final look. I have more combination already explained. If you want to see all the others combination, just go to my playlist. I'm going to link that playlist here somewhere in the screen and also down below in the description box.